subscribe, like, and share.
Yeah. But this time is going by so fast. I am being taken to school, and look at this beautiful clouds. Look at the clouds. They're so nice. I love seeing clouds like that. Earlier it was really cold, and that's why I'm wearing a hoodie and a beanie, because I thought it was going to continue to be cold, but the sun did come out. It was still chilly, but it was not. The hoodie and the beanie weren't necessary. That was me at the computer lab, and the ERC computer lab. It's best place to go and study sometimes because there's no one in there. It's ERC area is always lonely, so it's like good spots to like study. And headed, I was headed before to my second class. And here now, this is after my second class. I'm headed over to my third class of the day on Tuesday, and I went through this little market fair, vendor market fair, and yes, I like to look at all the little stuff they sell because it's really it's interesting to see what people are selling, what's interesting to people right now. And I decided to wear eyeliner, so I'm like checking it constantly. It's like going all over the place. And then there's this section, like all of these are usually always here, but some of them I don't remember. Like the baby onesie, I don't remember that artwork. I don't remember it being there. There's always clothes. There's always like used clothes or clothes, like repurposed clothes that they like cut it or they made it different, their own styles. And yes, this is Center Hall, second floor. That's where my classroom is. And I can't wait till this area opens up, but it's not going to open up for me. I think it's going to be ready once I am over with school, because I feel like it would be much easier to move around, like to cut through areas, and also to check out the new building. Like all of that, like all of this right here is closed, and we could easily like access it before like going straight through to go to like the Transfer Student Center or the Price Center or the food court, which is in the Price Center. But yes, this is more of the vendors. There's a bunch of stickers they always come through. And yeah, that was it. That was it for school day and for my classes. And now I was headed towards the bus, and I was looking for like strawberry earrings for my daughter because she's going to be dressed up as Strawberry Shortcake for Halloween. And I was thinking maybe we should find some strawberry earrings, even though I don't think Strawberry Shortcake has earrings, but it wouldn't make the costume look bad. And I saw a photo of myself from 2012 wearing eyeliner, and so that's why I was like, oh, look at my eyes, look so cute. And I was like, let me try to recreate this eye look, and it did not go as planned. It was going all over my eye, and it was really annoying. And this was dinner. Delicious. I'm a huge fan of Spam now. I didn't know what it was. I never wanted to try it, and I finally tried it, and I love it now. And this is the goat game. I don't know what it's called. I just know it's called the goat game, and that's it. But we got an extra control. My husband got the children an extra control so they could play together, and they were having so much fun. It was so funny. Oh, but yeah, it's funny because it reminds me of GTA. It's very similar. Like the little goat is just being troublemaker, kicking and pulling people with its tongue and blowing up people's heads. That's like so random. It's really weird. It's a weird game. Recommend this game. But yes, it was nostalgic because I only played GTA one. And nothing like this, of course. It's way different, but it just kind of gives me the feeling of it. Like you steal cars, you take people out of their cars, and then you take off with their cars, and you have these little missions that you have to do. But yeah, it's really fun. And that was all for today. I was very nervous because I had a midterm to study for, so I didn't record much. Again, I just but anyways, this is all I got for today, and thank you so much for your time. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.